What are all the ingredients you should avoid in making creams? You all might have seen the ingredients such as retinoic acid, parabens or methylparabens, and salicylic acid in commercial products. On our perception, these are the ingredients are to be avoided because of its adverse effect. For example, parabens or methylparabens in cosmetic creams can cause allergic reaction and block your pores. Thus, to manufacture a safe and natural face cream, attend our professional formulation training. This training program is to teach you how to create a range of safe, stable, and effective natural facial products.